Today we're checking out the brand new ASUS Gaming V16 V3607V powered by Intel Core 7 and the new RTX 5050 graphics. Starting with the design, the ASUS V16 comes in a sleek matte black finish with a futuristic gaming look. It's clean, minimal, and doesn't scream over-the-top gamer laptop, which I actually like. The laptop weighs around 1.95 kilograms, making it portable enough for students, creators, and gamers on the move. Now let's talk performance. The ASUS V16 is powered by the Intel Core 7-240H processor with 10 cores, 16 threads, boost speeds up to 5.2 GHz. This processor is excellent for gaming, streaming, video editing, and heavy multitasking. For graphics, you get the new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 laptop GPU with 8 GB of GDDR7 memory. This means you can expect smooth 1080p gaming, ray tracing support, DLSS for performance boosts, faster rendering for creators. Modern games should run comfortably at high settings, especially with DLSS enabled. ASUS included 16 GB DDR5 5600 MHz RAM and a fast 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. Boot times are quick, applications load fast, and multitasking feels smooth. The good thing is you also get upgrade options with 2 DDR5 RAM slots, 1 M.2 PCIe Gen 4 SSD slot. The laptop packs a 63 Wh battery. For normal productivity tasks like browsing, streaming, or office work, battery life should be decent. One of the biggest highlights here is the 16-inch WUXGA display. You get 1920 by 1200 resolution, 16:10 aspect ratio, 144 Hz refresh rate, anti-glare panel, 300 nits brightness. The 144 Hz refresh rate makes gameplay feel smooth and responsive, especially in competitive games like Valorant, CS2, or Fortnite. The taller 16:10 aspect ratio is also great for productivity, editing, and multitasking. Connectivity. For ports, ASUS gives you 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, a data speed up to 5 gigabits per second. USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C with support for display power delivery, data speed up to 5 gigabits per second. DC in 3.5mm combo audio jack. HDMI 2.1. You also get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for fast wireless connectivity. Stand out with the futuristic turbo blue keyboard backlight, which makes it easier to see the keys and adds a modern flair. It's a bold statement, wherever you go. Futuristic keycaps. Neon highlighted transparent WASD and arrow keys add speed and precision to your in-game performance, as well as looking striking. 1080p FHD camera with privacy shutter. Game hard, stay cool. Experience next-level gaming with ASUS Gaming V16 and its advanced IceCool cooling system. Featuring dual fans and heat pipes, dive into high-speed action and vibrant virtual worlds without overheating. The 79-blade fans, made from lightweight LCP, minimize vibrations and ensure quiet operation. Enjoy peak performance and intense gaming sessions wherever you go. ASUS IceCool thermal technology. So overall, the ASUS V16 looks like a strong mid-range gaming laptop for gamers, students, and creators who want solid performance.